Na kebenta ke khubor baman kesni pet bat subscribe ya u Antoni.
Ni pat sedang interrogation ha te nala banong ha ke dokti ta no tangi ngeli rasa ka gidan sebut ke dokti ka dokti ndai banong ban confession ka ditang hakut he mo dia kata te ni lada interrogate ni la ban penting kena ka no kalau ka involvement juga kalau kum no but ki details jongka involvement joka hari ka crime ni laban penting na ti haba kilale bila sutu hi haba kala ka crime te hab ya phatnya kim hab ya re te tangban lagi ki pulit ka plan ka long kum kumwai nanjai ka pulam no ka plan ba tangadin news ni sha kem no ka plan ki kara flop.
So basically what's our plan?
Ami ka plan ya kata tharu plan ho wi ngila yo bits and pieces re ya kata ka tharu plan hi in patikna hi adin ban la de interrogation full plan ke ka plan jum ki hi ngila yo bits and pieces ne ki accuse hai maga full plan exactly means yo ade ki si to ole si le si ki pat hat ko por yo kem sha langot te ubasa per mi kem hamadir
Dong day juvenile sa?
Em day juvenile Kimbe juvenile maki yang samla kata dari kimbe juvenile weru di itu day juvenile di agni sequence events kibon kita ki version jong sequence events ki jong ki accuse somewhat jong ki accuse lain but jong sonam te I posha ini la de interrogation ini la ban yok exact sequence of events kebaja. See, once we get the facts of the matter, no, I mean right now the facts are fluid. One person would say something, another person say something. So once we confirm the facts, these are the facts. After we interrogate, we'll have to interrogate all that. What is the fact of the matter? Some people could, because you know it always happens in a crime when you catch a group of people, one person will throw the ball to the other. So whose role is exactly, what was his role, we need to ascertain. And after we've ascertained everybody's role out there, then we'll do the reconstruction. Otherwise we'll have to do reconstruction 2-3 times. And it's not feasible. No, there were a lot of speculative reports and all that. And it is always the best of things that, you know, for the safety and safeguards have to be taken. That when we are taking into custody and all that, to ensure that her health is of utmost importance. Yang mentah tinggi dang kaji toket dang sedang la ya jadi toket tinggi la mentep dan shoot berarti ni ki sotu bakla ya kata transit demand kaba na Madhya Pradesh ka transit demand na Gazipur ka transit demand kamut ba hakpor jusni na MP ni dia produce na hakar kod le amba hapo hadin jusni ni lambiang sa Madhya Pradesh ne hadin laisni ni lambiang sa Gazipur dikata ka di ketang kapor pagin hajar ka ya ka brio hangni hakko juni dikati ketang ta kapor te kapor ba ai ni
kat nuski thai ko nakaliang jong nakaliang polis
ni pada ingin pan polis custody ba shosni